Welcome to Amsterdam, a city of canals, culture, and limitless adventure. This city has something for everyone, whether you're here for the history, the world-renowned art, or simply to soak up the unique Dutch atmosphere. But, with so much to discover, where do you even begin? Do not fear, we have you covered. In this video, we tally down the 6 finest things to do in Amsterdam, from recognizable sights to hidden gems that won't appear in your average travel guide. So, get your bike, prepare to cruise across the city, and let's dive in. 1. Explore the canals like a local. The canals of Amsterdam serve as the city's heart and soul. In fact, the city has over 165 canals spanning more than 100 kilometers, which is more than Venice. What's the greatest way to enjoy them? Go on a boat cruise. You can take a traditional guided tour, rent a private boat, or, if you're feeling daring, paddle through on a kayak. Want something even more magical? Take an evening cruise when the bridges and buildings light up, giving the city an almost storybook appearance. 2. Visit the Anne Frank House. No trip to Amsterdam is complete without a visit to the Anne Frank House, a very impacting museum that tells the tale of Anne Frank and her family, who hid from the Nazis during World War II. Walking inside the secret annex where Anne penned her famous diary is an incredible experience. Pro tip: tickets sell out weeks in advance, so book as soon as possible. 3. Get lost in the Van Gogh Museum. Did you know that Vincent van Gogh made almost 2,000 pieces in just a decade? His story is as interesting as his art. The Van Gogh Museum in Amsterdam houses the largest collection of his paintings, which includes The Starry Night, Sunflowers, and The Bedroom. This museum is a must-see for everyone who enjoys art or is interested in the life of this great artist. 4. Experience the magic of Jordaan neighborhood. If you want to get away from the tourist crowds, visit Jordaan, one of Amsterdam's most beautiful and picturesque neighborhoods. This neighborhood is brimming with hidden courtyards, unique eateries, art galleries, and vintage stores, ideal for a leisurely afternoon stroll, a stop for Dutch apple pie at Café Winkel 43, or live street music in a pleasant corner. 5. Discover the Rijksmuseum. This museum is essentially a time capsule through Dutch history, filled with masterpieces from the golden age of Dutch art. It houses nearly 8,000 pieces, including Rembrandt's The Night Watch and Vermeer's The Milkmaid, as well as several historical items. The museum is also flanked by the famous Museumplein, where you may relax or snap photos in front of the iconic I Amsterdam sign. 6. Experience Amsterdam's nightlife in Leidseplein and Rembrandtplein. Whether you want to have a wild night out or a relaxing evening with live music, Amsterdam's nightlife will not disappoint. Leidseplein is home to high-energy clubs, rooftop bars, and iconic venues such as Melkweg and Paradiso. If you want a more relaxed atmosphere, go to Rembrandtplein, which is known for its trendy bars and traditional Dutch taverns. Whatever type of night you're searching for, Amsterdam has something for everyone. And there you have it, 6 of the absolute best things to do in Amsterdam. From breathtaking canals to world-class museums, historic sites, and vibrant nightlife, this city is bursting with unforgettable experiences. But now, we want to hear from you. Have you been to Amsterdam? What was your favorite thing to do? Or if you're planning a trip, which of these spots are you most excited to visit? Drop a comment below, we'd love to know, and of course, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more epic travel guides. Until next time, happy travels, and see you in the next adventure.